Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know who sent you a message on NGL. First, open the NGL app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, go to your inbox where you can see the messages you have received. You will notice that the messages are anonymous. NGL is designed to keep the sender's name hidden. That means you cannot directly see who sent you the message. Even if you upgrade to the paid plan on NGL, the app still does not show you the exact name of the person who sent the message. The paid version may give you hints, but it does not reveal their identity. So officially, there is no built-in way inside NGL to see their real name. However, there is a method that some people use. You can create a tracking link using a website called Grabify. First, copy your NGL link. Then go to the Grabify website in your browser. Paste your original NGL link into the box on Grabify and create a new tracking link. Grabify will generate a new link for you. Copy that new link and place it in your Instagram bio or wherever you normally share your NGL link. When someone taps on that link and sends you a message, Grabify can collect certain information. You may be able to see their location, country, and the type of device they are using. Keep in mind this does not show their exact name, but it can give you more details. Thanks for watching.